Get ready to be amazed because this C viral literally everywhere right is officially taking over the internet. Is this the ultimate find of the year? If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that their build quality is premium. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes C so unique compared to ordinary items is that it handles heavy usage without any issues. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for C right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed because this C viral literally